So, hey family, welcome back. You are watching Turbo C Part 2 and you are watching ICO, a place of intelligence. First, I would like to ask a sorry from you because in the last video I wanted to show one more changes in the program, but I wasn't able to show it because I forgot. So I'll correct my mistake of the last program, and so let's start. And in this program we are going to use one more command, that's integers, and it means the numbers. So today we are going to make the program with the numbers. So let's start. So I have opened the DOS. I'm going to open it. Okay, we are switching start Turbo C. Now I'll go to the file and I'll go open with the name I saved last one was Sarthak. So I open it, and this was the program that we have made last time, and I would like to inform you that instead of the symbols we can use the word or the sentences, means the alphabets, not the numbers in the same process. So instead of this star I am putting hi, this is Turbo C. Okay, now the slash n means the last line. As you all know, I am new to this world. And then slash t, and then we are going to write please help me. Okay, now we are going to run the program and let's see what will come. Control plus F9 and see, hi, this is Turbo C, I am new to this world and please help me. As I told you that this is the few things that I wanted you to explain in the last video, but I forgot, so I'm sorry for that. And now we are going to make the new program with the integers, and I would like to inform you that these six things, sorry, include stdio, conio, void mains, this braces, cl and get ch is common in each and every program that we are simple program that we are going to make in the Turbo C. Please point it simple programs, okay, not the complex one. Okay, so let's start, and first we'll put integers int, then space, and then we'll put a b c, means the variables with which we can put it on. So now we will put a is equal to 29, then b is equal to 10, then again side one, then c is equal to 6. Now I would like to inform you that when we put 6 it is the same in color, okay, but when we put 06 then it color will change, see, because this is invalid one. So just keep in mind this 0 will not come in front of any other number since it's case sensitive, so you all can get it that it's very irritating. So let's start. So we'll write printf, then we'll put double brace a is equal to, this is not percentage, this is modulus, and we put it every place where we want to put the integers. So then again, then we'll comma, then we'll put the variable of which we are going to put the value, it's a, then we are again going to put printf, then again the same thing is the b is equal to modulus d, then again slash and then double of comma b, then again printf, then again is c which is equal to modulus d, then it is slash and double brace of c, and then we'll put this and the thing is over. And now let's see that this program will run or not. First we will compile it that it is correct or not. See, 0 warning, 0 error, so we are ready to take off. So let's start. Control plus F9 and see A29 B10 C6. Now you would be thinking that if we would not provide any number of ABC, then what number would come in place of ABC? So let me show you that also, and it quite bit funny. Okay, because instead of giving numbers also, they will show the numbers. Okay, see the 0 warning, 0 error. Now control F9. See, A is equal to -28760, and now the value of B is 12803 and C is 29222. Do you know what is this thing? The ABC, the value in which the A has been coded in the turbo C, it shows the value of A. B means the alphabet. If I'll put the D, E and F, then it will show the value of the D, E and F in which value it has been coded. So this is the one thing that I wanted you to show. And but if in case we remove integers, then what will the will the program will run? I'm sure it will not run. When I will compile the program, it is say 3 errors. Why? Because symbol A is undefined, symbol B is undefined, symbol C is undefined, that we are going to prove, and we are going to compile. So it's important that we didn't need to forget any of the thing that we are going to put. So as soon as I put A, B and C, means these are the integers, and then if I run the program, I will not face any problem. You see, as is seeing the same value, because as I tell you that it is the coded part in which it shows the value of A, means the A has been coded in C in the value of 28760 minus. Okay, so this was the simple program that I wanted to show you in the part 1, and as we are moving forward, I would also help you to make a calculator using Turbo C. So please stay tuned. So this all for today in this video, and please don't forget to like, and अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा अगर अच्छी लगे तो. So this is Aiko taking leave from everybody. Thank you.